Namaste children. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from Madhuban Saral Hindi Patmala, Class 5, Chapter 4, Sachi Jeet. Sachi means true, Jeet means victory. So true victory, that's the heading. Let's move to the video. एक गांव में जालिम सिंह नाम का एक किसान रहता था. So Zalim Singh named person was living in a village. अपने नाम के अनुरूप ही वह अभिमानी और दुष्ट प्रकृति का था. सो अभिमानी boastful person or a pride person, दुष्ट प्रकृति wicked nature. So as per his name, he was a very prideful and a wicked person by nature. वह गांव के लोगों से सीधे मुंह बात तक न करता था और न ही बड़े बूढ़ों को सम्मान करता था. Neither he had a smooth relationship with any of the villagers, nor he was respecting any elders, greater elders in that village. Samman means respect, bade boodo means elder, greater elder. गांव के लोग उसे दुष्ट और अहंकारी समझते थे. So the people of the village, they thought that he is a wicked as well as a boastful person. नेकीराम नामक एक किसान कहीं से आकर उस गांव में बस गया. So a person named Nekiram from some village, he came to this village for leading his livelihood. वह बहुत नेक और ईमानदार आदमी था. नेक means noble, ईमानदार means honesty. So as per his name, he was a very noble and honest person. वह सबसे नम्रता का व्यवहार करता था और सबकी यथासंभव सहायता करने को तत्पर रहता था. नम्रता humble, यथासंभव as far as possible, तत्पर ready, सहायता help. So he was behaving in a very humble way, and as far as possible he was helping out anyone in the village. कुछ ही समय में सभी गांव वाले उसका आदर करने लगे और आवश्यकता पड़ने पर उससे सलाह लेने लगे. So in few days itself, every villager started to give respect him, and also at times of need they used to get ideas from Nekiram. गांव वाले ने नेकीराम को सचेत करते हुए कहा. सचेत means kind of warning, also kind of advice. So this villagers advised Nekiram and they said, भाई नेकीराम, जितना संभव हो तुम जालिम सिंह से दूर रहना. So brother Nekiram, so how far as possible you please stay away from Zalim Singh. वह बड़ा दुष्ट और जगडालू है. Jagdalu means quarrelsome, dushtu means wicked. So he's a very cunning person, he's a very wicked person and also very quarrelsome. नेकीराम ने हंसकर कहा. So नेकीराम smiled and said, अगर जालिम सिंह ने मुझसे झगड़ा किया तो मैं उसे देख लूंगा. So if Zalim Singh is quarreling with me, then I will look after him. यह बात जालिम सिंह के कानों तक पहुंच गई. So these words somehow reached जालिम सिंह. क्रोध से उसके नथुने फटकने लगी. So here नथुने फटकना means nose twitching, which means out of angry his nose got twitched. दांत पीसते हुए बोला. So biting his teeth he said, इस नेकी राम को मजा न चकाया तो मेरा नाम जालिम सिंह नहीं. So by having been in a very angry way, the Zalim Singh is telling, so if I don't devastate his life, then my name is not Zalim Singh. बस उसी दिन से जालिम सिंह नेकी राम से झगड़ने के लिए किसी न किसी बहाने की तलाश करने लगा. So yes, from that day onwards, somehow he created a drama and he created a kind of a quarrelsome with नेकी राम. एक दिन अवसर पाकर जालिम सिंह ने नेकीराम के खेत में जाने वाली पानी की नाली तोड़ दी. तोड़ दी means broke. So he just broke the pipeline. So one day when he got a chance, what Zalim Singh did, so this Zalim Singh he just broke the pipeline going towards the Nekiram's farmland. पानी खेत में न जाकर बाहर बहने लगा. So since he just broke the pipeline, this water flowed out instead of going into the farming field. नेकीराम ने देखा तो चुपचाप आकर नाली बांधी, पर किसी से कुछ नहीं कहा. So Nekiram saw this and silently he just came down and he just tied the pipeline and he just corrected the pipeline and he went off. इसके बाद जालिम सिंह ने नेकीराम के खेत में अपने बैल छोड़ दिया. So thereafter Zalim Singh he just unlocked his bullocks into the Nekiram's farming land. बैल बहुत सा खेत चर गई. So what happened? This Zalim Singh bulls, they have grazed most of the farming land. That means most of the Nekiram's farming land. नेकीराम ने उन्हें देखा तो चुपचाप अपने खेतों से बाहर हाँक दिया. हाँक दिया means to drive away. So when Nekiram saw this, this Zalim Singh's bullocks were grazing the farming land. He silently he just drove away all the bullocks out of his farming field. उसने किसी से भी इसकी चर्चा नहीं की. So he didn't had any arguments or conversation with anyone on this issue. इस तरह जालिम सिंह तरह तरह से नेकीराम को परेशान करता रहा. So like this Zalim Singh was keep on worrying Nekiram on some other issues. पर नेकीराम माउंट रहकर सब सहता गया. But Nekiram was just keeping silent and he was tolerating everything. बरसात का मौसम आया. So it was rainy season. जालिम सिंह एक बैलगाड़ी में अनाज भरकर दूसरे गांव से ला रहा था. So Zalim Singh, he just filled up all the grains in his vehicle, in his bullock cart, and he was coming to his village. दुर्भाग्यवश उसकी गाड़ी दलदल में फंस गई. So daldal means a marshy land, a wet muddy land. So unfortunately, दुर्भाग्यवश means unfortunately, so his vehicle got trapped into a marshy land. जालिम सिंह के बैल दुबले और कमजोर थे. दुबले means lean, कमजोर means weak. So Zalim Singh's bullocks were lean and very weak. वे गाड़ी को दलदल से न खींच सके. So due to these weakness and very lean, this bullocks cannot drag this vehicle out of the marshy land. That means it was very wet, so it cannot drag. जब गांव में इस बात की खबर पहुंची तो गांव वाले खुश होकर बोले. So when this message reached the villagers, so then the villagers became very happy and they said, उस दुष्ट जालिम सिंह को रात भर वही रहने दो. So let this wicked person remain there itself throughout the night time. खबर नेकीराम को भी मिले. उसने अपने हृष्ट पुष्ट बैल लिए और मदद के लिए चल पड़ा. हृष्ट पुष्ट means healthy, बैल means bullock. So Nekiram got the information. So immediately he took his healthy cows to Zalim Singh place for help, for helping him out. लोगों ने उसे रोका और कहा. So the villagers stopped him and said, नेकीराम, जालिम सिंह ने सबको बार बार नुकसान पहुंचाया है, फिर भी तुम उसकी मदद क्यों कर रहे हो? So Nekiram, Zalim Singh has created many laws to everyone in the village. So then why you are helping him? नेकीराम मुस्कुराकर चल दिया. So he just smiled and he left the place. जालिम सिंह ने नेकीराम को बैल लेकर आते देखा तो वह बोला. So Zalim Singh saw Nekiram coming with his bullock and he saw this and he told him, तुम अपने बैल लेकर लौट जाओ, मुझे तुम्हारी सहायता नहीं चाहिए. So you just take away your bullocks and go away from here. I don't need your help. तुम्हारे जो जी में आए कहो, पर मैं वापस जाने वाला नहीं हूँ. नेकीराम बोला. नेकीराम said, whatever comes in your mind, just tell me, but I'm not going to go away from this place. रात होने वाली है और चोर डाकुओं का भी भय है. So it's getting dark and also there is a fear of thefts and dacoities. मैं इस समय तुम्हारी बात नहीं मान सकता. So this time I cannot accept your words. नेकीराम ने गाड़ी में अपनी बैल जोत दिए और बैलों को ललकारा. ललकारा means challenging. So Nekiram, what he did, he just logged his bullocks onto Zalim Singh's vehicle and he instructed this bullocks to drag. बैलों ने गाड़ी को खींचकर दलदल से बाहर निकल दिया. So this bullocks, they just dragged the vehicle out of the marshy land. जालिम सिंह की आंखें भर गई. So Zalim Singh eyes filled with tears. वह बोला. So he said, नेकीराम, मैं अपने किए पर बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ. शर्मिंदा means getting embarrassed. I am so embarrassed by whatever things I have done to you in the past. तुमने मेरी बुराई का बदला भलाई कर दिया है. मैं इसे कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. So you have done good to me for whatever the badness I have created to you. So I will not forget this in my lifetime. दोनों एक दूसरे से गले मिले और गांव की ओर चल दिए. So both of them hugged each other and they started to move towards the village. So that is all this lesson about. Hope I have explained you line by line. So children, do well and read well. Thank you.